Hello, my name is Higashino from Z Engineering. For the past 42 years, we have been working with steam traps. During that time, we have seen steam systems in many different factories. This YouTube channel is not meant to defend or promote Orifice traps. Instead, we will talk about the real problem that's actually occur in steam system in the field, and how we have tried to find answers to those problems through our work on site. That is what this channel is about.
When we talk about orifice traps, there is one question we always hear. Orifice traps clog with rust, right? Because of this belief, many factories decided not to adopt them. But let me show you the actual data. In 2025, the number of traps we recovered due to rust clogging was only 4, and all 4 units came from the same factory on the same steam piping line. Today, I will explain this issue based on real field data. Our company ships several thousand traps every year. The total number of operating units worldwide is in the hundreds of thousands. Among all of those traps, the number recovered because of clogging in 2025 was 4. That is less than 0.002%. This is not a problem of the orifice itself. It is a problem of steam piping management. In reality, there are only 2 things that matter. First, during cold start, is the bypass blow performed? Second, is rust and debris regularly discharged from the piping system? If these 2 practices are followed, clogging almost never occurs, even in older factories. There is also a clear design boundary for orifice traps. If the orifice diameter is smaller than 1 millimeter, clogging risk can increase depending on the conditions. But when the orifice diameter is larger than 1 millimeter in normal steam piping systems, rust clogging rarely occurs. This conclusion matches the recovery data. There is also a screen installed at the trap inlet. It is a 60 mesh screen. Solid particles larger than about 0.3 millimeters are stopped at the screen. This means that large flake-type rust never reaches the orifice. There is also a common misunderstanding in many factories. People often think if the inside of the pipe is black, rust must be flowing through the system. But that is not the real problem. The black surface inside the pipe is not the issue. The real problem is red, solid rust particles. Black oxide film does not block the flow. In many cases where people say the orifice clogged, mechanical steam traps in the same system have also stopped working. This is usually a sign that the overall steam piping management has broken down. Clogging is not impossible. It can happen. But if an orifice larger than 1 millimeter clogs, the cause is not the orifice design. It is the condition of the steam piping system. That is the conclusion we see from field data. In the next episode, we will discuss the limitations of the orifice principle and the design that was created to overcome those limitations, the multi-stage steam trap.